So with Amanda here, we use this arthrostim machine. She doesn't like the whole twisting and turning or pushing real hard on the back to make the adjustment, so we use this guy. This is actually an adjusting tool that will get on both sides of the spine. You have these things that stick out, your transverse processes, and you hit that spot to release the tension that the muscle is pulling on on the lower back, and you make the adjustment that way by using this right here. Are you okay with this pressure?
Yes.
All right. And you just go all the way up. And some tension right here.